I think honestly that the content of the workshops is really strong and in of itself very valuable, but on top of that, I think the network that you're building is really essential to the work. So if I take just my role in the school, there's only one dean of students in most schools. And so it's a somewhat isolated role, and there's all kinds of tricky situations that are very gray that come up all the time. So having a lot of folks at the other end of the phone that you can just pick up the phone and dial or email and sort of norm what you think you might want to do is hugely valuable. I wish I had had that last year.
I know I'm going to sound like you're paying me to say this, but everybody was so thoughtful. I think I was trying to figure out with our group, there were 24 of us, and everybody was so able to interact with other people. Nobody dominated the floor. Everybody really listened to each other, and I think that might be because of our jobs. All of us are in administrative positions that require us to work with faculty, students, parents, and the community, and other administrators.